Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about some questions and answers. The topic name is Introduction to Java. Question number D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the two types of Java programs. Answer standalone application and applets. Question number 2. What are Java applets? Answer Java applets. Java applets are Java applications that run within a web browser. They are mainly used for internet programming. They are capable of performing many tasks on web page such as displaying graphics, playing sounds, accepting user inputs. Question number 3. Define the following: object code and source code. Answer. Number A. Object code. A compiler generated machine language version of the source code is called object code. Number B. Source code. A set of instructions written in a high-level programming language is known as source code. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 4. Define the following terms. Number A. Compiler. Number B. Interpreter. Number C. Assembler. Number A. Compiler. A compiler is a language translator. Translates source code written in high-level language into machine code all at once. Number B. Interpreter. Interpreter is a language translator that translates or interprets the source code instruction into machine code line by line. Next is assembler. Number C. Assembler. An assembler is a language translator that translates assembly language program into machine code. Question number 5. Name two features of Java. Answer. The two features of Java are as follows. Number 1. It is object oriented. Number 2. It is platform independent. Question number 6. What is JIT? Answer. JIT stands for just in time. The Java virtual machine includes a just in time that compiles selected portions of bytecode into executable code. The remaining code simply interpreted. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 7. What is JVM? Answer. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is a virtual machine that runs Java program and can be installed on several operating systems such as Windows, Unix, Macintosh, etc. JVM allows Java programs to run on almost any computer. A JVM processes instructions similar to a physical processor. Java source code extension is .java. Question number 8. Define bytecode. Answer. Bytecode. The programs written in Java are compiled into a machine language for a virtual computer called Java Virtual Machine. That is JVM. The machine language for this special Java virtual machine is called Java bytecode. The bytecode files are generated with the .class extension. Question number 9. Why is Java a platform independent language? Answer. Java applications are platform independent, which means that Java application can be run on any platform, that is operating system. After Java source code is compiled, it is converted into bytecode. The bytecode is interpreted by the JVM. JVM can be installed on several different types of operating systems such as Windows, Unix, etc. JVM allows Java programs to run on almost any computer. For this reason, Java is considered as a platform independent language. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 10. What are standalone Java application? What are the different types of standalone applications? Give their names. Answer. Standalone application. A standalone application refers to a Java program that can run independently on a computer. In Java, every standalone application begins its execution with the main method. There are two types of Java standalone applications. Number A, console-based applications. Number B, graphical user-based applications. Question number 11. Give the full form of ORA. ORA stands for Write Once, Run Anywhere. Question number 12. How is Java secure? Java is secure as it allows applets to confine to the Java runtime environment only. Applets cannot access any other part of the computer when downloaded on the web browser. This eliminates any damage due to malicious software. Students, in this session I have discussed about some questions and answers. You all are requested to write all these questions and answers in your copy. Study this thoroughly. That's all for now. Thank you.